a common tropical fruit cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions to the common guava, passion guava, lemon, guava, apple. Guava is a small tree in the myrtle family, Myrtaceae, native to Mexico